Hello guys, welcome back to Geeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your laptop with keyboard in Windows 10. The process is still the same on Windows 8 and Windows 7 if you're still using Windows 7, right? If your touchpad doesn't work and you don't have an external mouse, you may be forced to use shortcuts to shut down your laptop. If you want to learn that, stick around, and if you're watching this video for the first time, please like it, subscribe, and after watching let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. What you need to do if you want to shut down your laptop using shortcuts or using your keyboard, you need to press alt key, it's this key right here, plus F4, it's right here, right? Now when you combine these keys all together, this window will pop up on your screen. Next is to press enter key. You need to press and your laptop will be turned off, right? So guys, that's how you can shut down your laptop with keyboard in Windows 10 and Windows 7 or Windows 8, right? So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.